सूत्रधार में सुनते हैं पंचतंत्र की कहानियां।
पूर्व तावदः मूर्खो द्वितीयः पाशवन्दकः ततो राजा च मंत्री च सर्व वै मूर्खमण्डलम्।
Which means how a hunter, then the king, then the minister, and then a whole team of idiots gathered together because of a stupid bird. In some mountain city, a bird named Sindhuk used to live on a banyan tree. His droppings used to turn into gold. When a hunter saw him, he was filled with greed. He spread a net to catch the bird. The bird also saw the hunter spreading the net. But then also he carried on flying from one branch to another, and at last got caught in the hunter's net. The hunter thought, I have been doing this work for the past 40-50 years, but I've never seen a bird with golden droppings until today. What if he's some demon or apparition in the guise of a bird who has come to take my life by showing me gold? Thinking this, the hunter thought it was better to hand over the bird to the king. The king was also surprised. The king handed the precious bird to the minister and ordered him to keep it safe. The minister didn't even wait for the bird to do its droppings and released the bird, considering the hunter's story mere rubbish. Therefore, it is said, nothing should be done without thinking and understanding it properly first. Na, na, na.